If, like other AutoCAD users, you cannot make visible the point that you created in AutoCAD, in this tutorial, you can learn how to make your points visible with an easy method. So, push that subscribe button and be with me to learn it. Let's go! Hello and welcome back to your YouTube channel, Civil Engineering with Reza. We will continue our tutorial on learning AutoCAD 2025 from basic. This session, our focus is how to create a point as an object in AutoCAD and also solve the challenge of making it visible, to be clear, to be seen. If you are ready, be with me till the end and improve your knowledge. Let's crush it. For creating a point in AutoCAD as an object, you can come to this draw panel and select the multiple points command, and by having left click on that, now we have activated our points. By selecting on here, we can have our points, but they exist, but they are not clear. How we can make them visible, we will see. The other way is using the alias or the command of point. And here the alias is PO, or the full command is point. By typing PO and enter, I can have my point command active. Now again I select, but there is a difference between using this alias and directly coming to this draw panel. When we come to this part and select this, we can draw points one after another without getting out of our command. It means that until the time that I push the escape button, I will have my command active. And now I say it's finished and I can use escape to go out. But when I use the PO or the command in the command line by typing point, I can use that just one time. If I want to recall it, I need to use enter. It was all about how to making our point, but now let's solve the second problem. The second problem is, as you can see, we have our points here, but they are not visible. How we can make them visible? We can come to utility part from point style. Here I can select one of these styles. For example, I select this one, and the point size also I can change it. But let's now focus on the point style, then we will go to the size too. If I select this, as you can see, now my points are clear. It's an easy way to make them clear. If I want to have access by typing on command, I can say ptype. I can type ptype and enter. I have access to the same place. Here I have my point size. It means that it's 5%. I can select them by relative to the screen. It means that based on your screen, the size will be 5% of that. But if I select the absolute one, it means that they are based on the units that I use. For example, I say I use based on the relative of the screen, and I want to make their size double. I say 10 and OK. As you can see, they are getting bigger and they are relative to this point. But if I come to this part, point style, and from here I say that now this time I want to have my absolute values and I want my units to be 10. If I say OK, you see that now they are based on their real value and based on their real size. It was all about how to create a point, how to make its style clear and visible, and how to change its size relatively or exactly. Thanks for watching. Our next tutorial will be on how to draw a rectangle in AutoCAD in an easy manner. So I will wait for you on our next tutorial. If you like this tutorial, push that thumb up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and be with me during this learning path of AutoCAD 2025 to improve your knowledge and be a master in AutoCAD. If you have any questions or idea to continue our tutorials based on them, add them in the comment below. And if it was useful, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, best wishes, take care and goodbye.